Welcome to our comparison of two popular blenders, the NinjaFit Compact Personal Blender and the KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you decide which blender is the best fit for your kitchen needs. The NinjaFit boasts a powerful 700-watt motor, making it ideal for blending frozen ingredients and achieving smooth textures quickly. In contrast, the KitchenAid Hand Blender operates at 180 watts, which is sufficient for most tasks, but may struggle with very hard or frozen items. This significant difference in power highlights the NinjaFit's advantage for smoothie enthusiasts and those who require a robust blending solution. The NinjaFit is designed for single-serve blending, perfect for smoothies and shakes on the go. It comes with two 16-ounce cups, allowing you to blend and drink from the same container. On the other hand, the KitchenAid Hand Blender offers variable speed control, making it versatile for a variety of tasks, from soups to sauces. This flexibility makes the KitchenAid a great choice for those who enjoy cooking and need a multifunctional tool in their kitchen. The NinjaFit features a single speed with a pulse function, which is effective for quick blending tasks, but may limit precision for different textures. In contrast, the KitchenAid Hand Blender's variable speed control allows for more precise blending, making it easier to achieve the desired consistency for various recipes. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who enjoy experimenting with different dishes and require more control over their blending. In conclusion, both the NinjaFit and KitchenAid Hand Blender have their unique strengths. If you prioritize power and convenience for smoothies, the NinjaFit is an excellent choice. However, if you seek versatility and precision in your blending tasks, the KitchenAid Hand Blender may be the better option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.